Show me your genitals. Like spoons. This feels good. I feel like I'm in a dream.
You feel like you're in a fucking dream.
Do you feel like you're in a dream?
No, I do actually. Actually, more like a nightmare. Oh. Right then, YouTube, here we go.